I would say by far my favorite feature of the truck, and the one I'd say we've got absolutely the most use out of so far, we're not even into the height of summer, is our generator. Our generator sits behind this side cover here. Let me flip it up so you can see it. And it powers 2 roof AC units. So when I get to a stop, I can shut the truck down, kick the generator on, power up the AC units, and keep the truck nice and cool inside. It's by far something that sometimes we'll start it up first thing in the morning and it'll run all day long, keep the box nice and cool. Customers come out, it gives them a little bit of a break from the day. Obviously summers here in Tennessee can be very, very hot and very, very humid. And so obviously we give a comfortable place for our customers to come in, shop around, get the product that they need. Let me keep the thing on for you real quick. There it is. ACs are running in the truck. Truck's nice and comfortable for the customers. Makes it much easier for us to make our sales.